Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. So when you look at the socket, it looks like a normal 5/8. It's 6-point, everything's good about it. But what you'll notice is in the nose, when you look down in there, there's a little bit of rubber. And so the rubber is designed to do a few things. Number one, here's a spark plug. You'll notice that it has the porcelain here, and if you crack that, then you can get misfires and the plug may not function properly. So the rubber insulates to make sure that you're not going to break that, and it also will hold the plug like this in place, which is really nice when you're putting it down into the cylinder head and tightening it and loosening it. It's nice that it holds the plug. A regular 5/8 socket, and you'd put it on like this and it would fall right out. So that's what that rubber is for, and that's what kind of makes it the spark plug socket. Other than that, it's 5/8 inch regular. Now you'll notice that they do have other sizes, 13/16. This is a pretty large size, same thing. And here's a 3/4 inch, has that rubber down in there too. So depending on the engine you have and what size it is, 5/8 is pretty common for most of the smaller engines. But you can see these, I have some extras, and you know, a lot of these were pretty expensive if you're buying them individually. Some of these had price tags on them. Like this one I was looking at was almost $10 for the socket itself. And so when I found this one today, I really didn't need it, but it was 99 cents. It was just on sale, so I thought I can't pass that up because you never know when somebody's asking you to borrow one. But you'll also notice this is a 3/8 inch drive, and some of these other ones that I had were 1/2 inch drive. So if you're using a bigger ratchet on that, you might hurt your cylinder head. The spark plugs really aren't designed to be tightened down really too tight. That's usually 12 to 15 foot-pounds at the most. Basically, you just want it hand tight. You don't want it too loose to where that plug's gonna rock itself out and ruin the threads. And if you over tighten your spark plug, it can damage the threads in the cylinder head, and the next thing you know, it's working that plug back and forth and it ejects the plug. So check the video description. I'll show you kind of a little bit more about that. So anyway, just wanted to show you a spark plug socket and what it's about. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.